A very good morning, class 1. I hope you all are happy and healthy at home. So, for today's GK class, we are going to cover page number 23 of our book, and today we are going to learn about riding with safety, right? And make sure today we are also going to cover about what are the different ways through which we can clean our bicycle. In the previous classes we have discussed about what are the different parts of a bicycle, and we today in the class are going to learn what are the different things that we use to clean a bicycle. And I am also sharing the current affairs with you all, which are going to become in your half-yearly exams. So kindly write those current affairs in your notebook. Make sure to write it down and learn it thoroughly, because those current affairs are important and are included in the half-yearly exam. So kindly write it down, kindly complete page number 23 and complete the work and send the work in the group before 5 o'clock. Till then, take care and have a good day. A very good morning, class 1. So today we are going to cover page number 23, and today we are going to read and enjoy the poem. So the poem is Riding Safety or Riding Safe. So how we can ride a bicycle and what are the safety measures we should follow while riding a bicycle. So let's see. So I have a new bicycle. I can ride it well. I ride it on a cycle track. I like to press its bell. I ride away from crowd. I am very smart. I learn to ride it safely right from the start. So here this girl is saying I have a new bicycle. इस लड़की के पास एक नई बाइसिकल है and I can ride it well, और मैं उसको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से चला सकती हूँ. I ride it on the cycle track. So here is the cycle track. cycle track क्या होता है? जहाँ पे साइकिल्स चलती हैं उसको हम बोलते हैं साइकिल ट्रैक. जैसे कि रोड के ऊपर हमारे सारे व्हीकल्स चलते हैं, कार चलती है, बसेस चलती हैं, ऐसे सिर्फ साइकिल ट्रैक बना होता है जहाँ पे सिर्फ और सिर्फ साइकिल्स चलती हैं. So I ride it on the cycle track. I like to press its bell. So whenever there are some people in front of the cycle, so she press the bell. I ride away from the crowd. Crowd मतलब भीड़, ठीक है? So she ride the bicycle away from the crowd, and I am very smart. And she is very smart because she follows all the safety measures. She is wearing a helmet, she is wearing the knee packs, right? So she is very smart and she rides the bicycle away from the crowd. I learned to ride it safely right from the start. उसने शुरू से ही बाइसाइकिल को किस तरीके से सेफली कैसे चलाया जाता है वो सीखा. Now let us learn how to clean a bicycle. We know what are the different parts of a bicycle, as we have already covered in the previous classes. So today we are going to see what are the different things that we need to clean a bicycle. So fill in the blanks using the picture clues. If you need more help, the words are given in the boxes. So here are some given words which we can use for our hint. So take a small, this is your bucket. So take a small bucket of water and a dash. So what is this? This is called as duster. जो कपड़ा होता है, कपड़े को हम बोलते हैं, जो जिसे हम साफ़ करते हैं उस कपड़े को हम बोलते हैं duster. So and a duster. So here you are going to write down duster, and in first take a small bucket. Wet the duster, use it to rub the handle. This is your handle. So we have to use this to rub the handles. And the seat. So this is our seat. So we have to clean the seat. And the wheels. These are the wheels. So here we have to clean the wheels with the help of a duster. Now take your parents' help to clean the chain. This is our chain. Right, so we have to write down the answer as chain. So we take the help of a water bucket and a duster, and we can clean our favorite bicycle. So here we have to complete page number 23, and also we have to write down the current affairs in our notebook and learn it thoroughly for the half-yearly exam. Till then, take care and have a good day.